Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama saya di Indo Brownie Channel dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi semi blind reaction kita, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season ketiga, dan sekarang adalah episode ke-1 ya, dan kemungkinan saya akan jadikan satu video saja ya untuk episode 1 2-nya ya. Dan ya, judul dari episode kali ini adalah The Crystal Empire Part 1 ya. Jadi di sini adalah bisa dibilang mungkin nanti awal mulanya ke kerajaan kristal ya, Crystal Empire ini bangkit ya. Saya sudah tahu apa yang akan terjadi di sini karena saya sudah nonton ya sebenarnya. Jadi bukan semi blind reaction yang masih ada lah yang saya tidak tahu. Tapi saya sudah tahu semua sebenarnya. Jadi bukan semi blind reaction sih, reaction doang ya. Tidak apa-apa karena saya sudah pernah bilang kalau misalnya season 3, 4, 5, 9 itu saya sudah nonton semua ya. Dan khusus untuk episode 9 sebenarnya saya sudah sampai di episode 12 ya, kalau bukan 14, saya agak lupa. Yang jelas di season 9 banyak juga yang sudah saya nonton ya. Jadi sebenarnya kalau mau di skip ini dari season 3, 4, 5 ini di skip langsung ke episode season 6 ini juga tidak masalah. Ini tergantung kalian. Kalau kalian menonton reaksi saya yang season 3, 4, 5, kalian tinggal komen saja ya. Kalau misalnya kalian mau yang langsung mau yang saja yang blind reaction gitu, kita kan langsung ke season ke-6. Tapi kalau misalnya kalian mau lihat atau mengetahui komentar saya tentang season 3, 4, 5 nya, kita tetap masih bisa juga lanjut nonton ini ya, supaya lebih lama juga selesainya ya. Dan tanpa berlama-lama lagi, kita langsung saja ke episode 1 dari season ketiga My Little Pony Friendship is Magic ya. Kita akan mulai videonya dalam 3, 2, 1, mulai. Kali ini saya pakai dubbing Inggris, subtitle Indonesia ya.
News from Northern Equestria, Your Highness.
Equestria bagian utara.
I am simply to tell you that it has returned.
It
Find Princess Cadence in shining armor.
Yes, Your Highness.
pakai it ya. Tidak mau sebut nama.
Dearest Twilight, you must come to Canterlot at once.
Poni kecilku, poni kecilku, poni kecilku. Apa makna persahabatan poni kecilku? Kini ku tahu sejak berteman. Petualangan, keceriaan, keikhlasan, setia dan tabah, berbuat baik, bersahaja, magis membuat sempurna. Poni kecilku, kalian adalah sahabatku.
Where are all my quills? No. I need the Magical Compendium volumes 1 through 36. Where is it?
What? Buku apa? Wow, lebih besar dari Spike ya bukunya.
Flashcards! I should make some flashcards! Spike, I'm gonna need you to quiz me on everything I've ever learned.
For Spike bro, for Spike.
That isn't gonna be enough cards.
Twilight, calm down. It's just a test.
Just a test? Just a test! Princess Celestia wants to give me some kind of exam and you're trying to tell me to calm down.
Iya,
It's
tentang
just a
ujiannya.
test!
Ujiannya kali ini bakalan berbeda sih. Bukan yang kayak oh my. Kan nanti juga Twilight tahu nanti.
Sure you don't want me to go as well? Yes. Princess Cadence in shining armor are already there. The others will be joining them soon. The Empire's
Empire's magic is powerful. It cannot fall again, my sister. She will succeed at her task. And when she does, we'll know that she is that much closer to being ready.
Ahem.
Hai Twilight.
Trust
Wow.
me, little sister.
You wanted to see me? To give me a test? I brought my own quills and plenty of paper.
Saya jadi keingat komentar di Facebook kalau tidak salah atau di mana lah itu bilang ada meme ya kalau tidak salah juga yang saya lihat itu kalau misalnya Princess Celestia sama Princess Luna ini
Empire has returned.
Crystal Empire. Sorry,
jarang-jarang kan itu melawan langsung misalnya villain ya. Pasti kayak misalnya Twilight yang disuruh gitu sama teman-temannya.
Even my knowledge of the Empire is limited. But what I do know is that it contains
Pas
power
Princess
beyond
Celestia turun tangan juga
King Sombra, a
kayak
universe heart
useless gitu cuy.
took over the Crystal Empire.
Misalnya kena tangkap mulu atau dikalahkan mulu sama villainnya,
He was ultimately overthrown, turned to
kalah
shame,
sama muridnya,
vanished to the ice of the Arctic North.
kalah sama Twilight yang sering bisa menyelesaikan masalahnya itu.
Before he was able to put a curse upon the Empire, a curse that caused it to vanish into thin air. If the Empire is filled with hope and love, those things are reflected across all of Equestria. If hatred and fear take hold,
I didn't know
which is why I need to
Celestia can use that kind of magic.
Protect an entire.
Saya tidak tahu kalau
It is
Princess Celestia ini bisa pakai kayak
but one
sihiran aja, kegelapan gitu tadi.
by joining Princess Cadance and Shining Armor in the Crystal Empire.
My brother is there?
He is, and your Ponyville friends will join you there as well. I have every confidence you will succeed. And when you do, I'll know you are ready to move.
Saya agak bingung di mana penempatan mic-nya yang bagus ini karena kalau misalnya simpan di depan saya ini penglihatan saya bakalan kehalang
But what if
sama mic.
You
Tapi kalau saya simpan di samping sini, bisa saja suara saya tidak terlalu bagus terdengar gitu.
and you alone, who ultimately assist Princess Cadance and Shining Armor in doing what needs to be done to protect the Empire. Do you understand? Then go. There is no time to lose.
Twilight! That was fast. Let me guess. You got a perfect score.
Iya.
A minus? B plus? Twilight! Did you?
No, Spike.
I was prepared to do my best. Thought
Yeah.
I could
Here we go. Musical drama.
For I can do so many tricks, but I wasn't prepared for this.
Ya, ini tugas yang besar sih, ujian yang besar bagi Twilight.
Levitation would have been a breeze. Facts and figures I recite with ease. The square root of 546 is 23.3666.
Wow.
9109.
She is correct.
She is correct.
Quiz on friendship's bliss. But I wasn't prepared for this. Will I fail or will I pass? I can't be sure. She can't be sure. My mind is sharp, my skills intact, my heart is pure. Her heart is pure. Oh, I've taken my share.
Nice backup, Spike.
I've made it through the thin and thick, but no, I wasn't. Oh no, she wasn't. Oh no, I wasn't. Oh no, she wasn't. No, I wasn't prepared for this.
What exactly? Twilight! Did you
Melawan
guys
King Sombra ya.
celebrate your awesomeness with Princess Celestia?
Nope.
Quite. We're going to the Crystal Empire. Huh? Crystal what?
Crystal what?
And you all made fun of me for packing so many scarves.
I didn't say a word.
Wow.
Hey, come here.
Twilight!
Shining armor?
Twilight! You made it! We better get moving. There are things out here we really don't want to run into after dark.
What kind of things?
Let's just say the Empire isn't the only thing that's returned. Something keeps trying to get in. We think it's the Unicorn King who originally cursed the place.
But Princess Celestia said I was being sent here to find a way to protect the Empire. If King Sombra can't get in, then it must already be protected. That's one of the things, isn't it?
We have to get to the Crystal Empire now.
Oh, itu King Sombra ya.
Go, go!
Almost there.
Shining armor tertinggal.
Yes.
Oh no.
Oh no! Shining armor! Your horn! Sparklerific!
Sparkleific.
It's gorgeous! Absolutely gorgeous! There are no words!
Focus, Rarity. We're here to help Twilight, not admire the scenery.
I don't see what the big deal is. Just looks like another old castle to me. Oh. Another old? Have you lost your mind? Look at the Very funny.
Very funny. Sangat lucu.
Cadence!
Sunshine Shell, Ladybug's awake. Claps her hooves and doing little shake.
One of these days, we need to get together when the fate of Equestria isn't hanging in the balance. Are you okay?
Cadence has been able to use her magic to spread love and light. That seems to be what is protecting it. But she hasn't slept, barely eats. I want to help her, but my protection spell has been countered by King Sombra.
It's all right, Shining Armor. I'm fine.
She's not fine. She can't go on like this forever. And if her magic were to fade, you saw what's out there waiting for that to happen.
That's why we're here.
Why we're all here.
Well, with Cadence putting all her strength into keeping her spell going, and me trying to keep an eye on signs of trouble in the Arctic, we haven't been able to gather much information from the Crystal Ponies.
Crystal ponies! There are crystal ponies?
Lihat mukanya Rebodas.
But we have to believe one of them knows how we can protect the Empire without having to use Cadence's magic.
A
Yeah.
research paper!
Huh?
That must be part of my test. To gather information from the crystal ponies and deliver it to you! This is gonna be great! I love research papers! Yeah, who doesn't? Oh, let me guess! Is it Spike? No, Fluttershy! Rarity? Don't worry, big brother. I am really good at this sort of thing.
Ya,
Are you sure? Absolutely.
saya tahu
sure?
apa namanya yang dibutuhkan.
I wish I could help you, but I can't seem to remember anything before King Sombra came to power. And I don't want to remember anything about the time he ruled over us. Ugh.
King Sombra's spell must be why their coats aren't crystalline.
Have we really been gone 1,000 years?
Yes.
It feels like it was just yesterday.
If you think of anything, even the smallest thing.
Of course.
Oh, that was a total bust.
Maybe the others are having better luck.
A way to protect the Empire. You know anything about it or what?
I wish I could help you. Really.
Come on! You gotta know something!
But I don't have any information.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, hello. I was just wondering. Oh, that's okay. You all look really busy.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, Fluttershy?
It's like something is missing.
Yeah,
It
saya tahu.
looks the same, but it doesn't feel the same.
Because it isn't.
A spy!
A spy? How did they know? Ah, must have noticed my night vision goggles. Ooh, night vision-y.
Wah,
And when you flip your mane, it simply must create a rainbow of color. Wouldn't I look just magnificent?
ternyata cuma
Finally.
hayalannya si Rarity.
I got nothing so far.
Oh, me neither.
What?
Cover has been blown. I repeat, my cover has been blown. Okay.
Sorry, Twilight. These crystal ponies seem to have some kind of collective amnesia or something. Only thing I was able to get out of them was something about a library.
A library?
Oh,
Oh, why didn't you say so?
Thought I just did.
iya. She just did.
I don't even know what to. There are no words.
May I help you?
Yes, we're looking for a book.
We have plenty of those.
You do. You really do.
We're looking for a history book. Something that might tell us how the Empire might have protected itself from danger back in the day.
Yes, of course. History. Ah, yes.
Where?
Which is where exactly?
I can't seem to remember. I'm not sure I actually work here.
We'll just take a look around. I'm sure we can find it on our own.
Let me know if you find anything.
I like her.
Hah? What part of her you like, Pinkie? Bagian dari mananya yang kau suka, Pinkie Pie?
Anyone else starting to think this is a lost cause?
No, 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 no. Yes! History of the Crystal Empire. I just hope it has the answers we need. A crystal fair. According to this book, it was established by their first queen and became their most important tradition. The fair was held every year to renew the spirit of love and unity in the Empire so they could protect it from harm. My friends and I could put it together. Everything we need to know is in the book.
That sounds pretty promising.
We'll get started right away. Come on, Spike. We've got a crystal fair to put together.
Another song? Yeah, another song. Second song in this episode.
We can do it, but we need to work together. We have to get this right. Yes, we have to make them see. We can save the crystal ponies with their history.
It says that they like jousting.
They flew a flag
could have done this without you. One last check to make sure everything is in place, and then the festivities can begin.
What's this thing for?
The last page of the book mentioned a crystal heart as the fair centerpiece, so I used my magic to cut one out of a crystal block.
Nice work, Twi. Think we're ready to get this fair up
But
and
I
running?
don't think this is the real crystal heart.
Hear ye, hear
Pinky, that's enough.
My bad.
You don't even know how to play that thing.
Hear ye. Princess Cadence and Prince Shining Armor do cordially invite you to attend the Crystal Fair.
Come on in, y'all. We got food and drinks that away. Games and crafts are that away. Crystal hearts in the back near the princess.
Did she say so?
We totally nailed it, right? Must be feeling a lot of love and unity about now. Gonna have some grub, huh?
Rainbow Dash.
Crystal Empire berry pie. Maybe some crystal corn on the cob. What is with these ponies?
Seeing all of this, I feel like I'm starting to remember. Remember things from before the king. Me too.
The Crystal Heart!
Do you think they really have it?
Of course we have it. Can't have a crystal fair without the Crystal Heart, right?
That's the thing.
Can't. The whole purpose of the Crystal Fair is to lift the spirits of the crystal ponies so the light within them can power the crystal heart so that the Empire can be protected. I do work at the library.
What's that about powering the heart?
I just can't believe you found it. King Sombra said he'd hidden it away where we would never see it again. I only hope it will still be as powerful after all these years. Funnel cake.
Yeah. You have to.
What? I think we may have a problem.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was an actual relic. The book didn't mention anything about the crystal ponies powering the heart. There was a page missing. How did I not notice?
Of course, there's page missing.
Wiley.
Pertanyaannya, malah to be continued. Oke, kita akan lanjut ke episode 2-nya ya. Poni kecilku. Saya baru mau bertanya di mana gitu letaknya itu kristal heart-nya. Malah tiba-tiba to be continued gitu. Ya, ini masih semi blind reaction ya karena saya dulu tidak nonton full ini ya. Jadi saya tidak terlalu banyak ingat juga adegan-adegan apa yang terjadi di sini ya, dan kita langsung saja ke episode 2 ya dari season 3 My Little Pony Principis Magic ya. Ntar saya kasih subtitle dulu. Nah. Oke. Previously on My Little Pony.
To give me a test?
Ntar ya, kita mulai dulu dalam hitungan 3, 2, 1, mulai. Previously on My Little Pony.
To give me a test?
The Crystal Empire has returned.
You want me to help protect an entire empire?
It must be you and you alone.
You and you alone. Why her?
Say the Empire isn't the only.
Kenapa hanya Twilight yang bisa?
Go, go! Sparklerific!
Well, with Cadence putting all her strength into keeping her spell.
Sparkle
Trying
Leaf.
to keep an eye on signs of trouble in the Arctic. We haven't been able to gather much information from the crystal ponies.
There are crystal ponies?
I wish I could help you, but I can't seem to remember anything before King Sombra came to power.
History of the Crystal Empire. The last page of the book mentioned a crystal heart as the fair centerpiece. So I used my magic to cut one out of a crystal block.
The whole purpose of the Crystal Fair is to lift the spirits of the crystal ponies so the light within them can power the crystal heart so that the Empire can be protected.
I think we may have a problem. I didn't know it was an actual relic. It's all right, Twilight.
Wiley.
Poni kecilku, poni kecilku, poni kecilku. Apa makna persahabatan poni kecilku? Kini ku tahu sejak berteman. Petualangan, keceriaan, keikhlasan, setia tabah. Berbuat baik bersahaja, magis membuat sempurna. Poni kecilku, kalian adalah sahabatku. Oh iya, saya lupa lihat siapa penulis episodenya. King Sombra is coming.
Is under attack.
Where's the guard? Di mana para pengawalnya? Dan ada tanduknya Sombra yang berhasil masuk.
I have to find the Crystal Heart.
No, you stay here with Cadence. She needs you, Shining Armor. I'll retrieve the heart. Let's do this! I've been trying to figure out how I'm meant to pass Celestia's test. Retrieving the Crystal Heart must be it. But there is something else you can do. Name it! You and the rest of our friends have to keep the fair going. What? With that thing moving into the Empire? The whole purpose of the Crystal Fair is to lift the spirits of the Crystal Ponies, so they can activate the Crystal Heart. Yeah, and? If the Crystal Ponies find out that King Sombra is trying to take over the Empire again, their spirits are gonna be anything but lifted. It won't matter if I find the Crystal Heart. They won't be able to make it work. You have to keep them happy here at the fair. Keep the fair going and the Crystal Pony spirits high. Done and done.
Twilight, be careful.
I will. Okay, here's I just found out they're offering face painting for the little ones. We can do that. Twilight's doing what? He really loves getting his face painted. Haha.
Haha.
Who wants a flugelhorn? I want a flugelhorn. Who else wants a flugelhorn? I want a flugelhorn.
Mau banget kayak memang si Pinky, cuma dia buruk
I'm coming with
bermain.
You can't. I have to retrieve the Crystal Heart by myself.
I know. I promise I won't let the claw to help you.
Not a class fight.
Where are we going exactly?
I think I might know where King Sombra hid the Crystal Heart.
Where?
Castle?
The king would have been counting on the fact that no pony would dare come looking for it here. They'd have been too afraid to even try.
I hope you're right.
Well,
Both.
we'll see.
What are you looking at?
Rainbow Dash. Mereka bakalan curiga kalau terlalu.
We're supposed to be acting like nothing's wrong.
Iya.
Exactly.
Rainbow Dash.
The main is, lately you should let me keep the crystal ponies away from the fake heart, while you show off your jousting skills.
Huh. Seeing my awesomeness does have a way of putting ponies into a pretty good mood. Come on, Knight. Fluttershy. Huh? It's showtime.
How y'all feeling? Having a good time?
The best I've had in over 1,000 years.
That's good. Gotta renew that spirit of love and unity if you're gonna power up that crystal heart, right?
I sure would like to see it before the ceremony. It's been such a long time.
I hear you. But, getting a little toasty out here. Bet you'd like to cool off with a little Crystal Empire nectar. You tried the Crystal Empire fritters yet? Made from traditional Crystal Empire recipe. You're gonna love them.
Malah kayak anjing tadi cuy. Oh
You don't want to miss that. Come on, Twilight. These crystal ponies are more curious than a cat.
It's gotta be here somewhere. It's just gotta be. Not a claw spike. Celestia's orders.
Terlalu fokus Twilight sama ujiannya. Dia tidak percayai
The
temannya.
Empire is filled with hope and love. Those things are reflected across all of Equestria. If hatred and fear take hold,
Of course.
What? Did you find it?
No, because this isn't King Sombra's castle.
Isn't this where he lived when he was in power?
It is, but it didn't look like this.
Wow. Wow.
When did you learn to do that?
That was a little trick Celestia taught me.
Oke, bagian di sini saya sudah pernah nonton ya.
You stay here.
If you insist.
Can you see what's down there yet? Not yet. I can't even tell how far down this goes.
Bahkan Twilight bisa memakai sihir kegelapan juga ya. Wow.
Spike? Yeah? Can you see outside?
It's not good! Cadence's magic must be fading faster than before!
Ah,
Twilight? Are you okay?
Yes.
wow.
Stop moving.
Saya lupa bagaimana Twilight menyelesaikan ini. Ah, Naruhodo. Pakai sihir kegelapan lagi.
I think it's here. Huh?
what are you doing here?
I don't know. I opened the door and
And now you must go.
go where?
Doesn't matter to me. You failed the test, Twilight.
Twilight, sadarlah ini bukan Celestia yang sebenarnya.
I don't understand. The test?
Not only will you not move on to the next level of your studies, you won't continue your studies at all.
You didn't say anything about no longer being your student if I failed.
Didn't I?
But what do I do now?
Twilight! Twilight!
Oh, akhirnya sadar.
Stay up there. You were
Twilight.
down here for such a long time and you weren't answering, and I got worried, so I came down here and you were just staring at that wall. And I was calling your name, but I couldn't seem to get your attention. And what were you looking at? I mean, it's just a wall. Ponyville? Well, how did I get? No! I don't want to go. Please, Twilight, don't make me.
King Sombra's dark magic. A doorway that leads to your worst fear.
You were home. You told me you didn't need me anymore. You were sending me away.
A fear that will never come to pass.
Ah.
I'm never going to send you away. and I'm not gonna fail my test. What's in there?
Another stairs.
Lots and lots of stairs.
Oh ya, saya ingat ini bagaimana caranya untuk lewati ini tangganya. Ah. Oh, akhirnya bisa Pinkie Pie meniupnya dengan benar.
Isn't there some pony else who could take over the jousting demonstration with you?
The fate of an entire empire rests on us showing these ponies a good time. But, you know, if that isn't important to you. Okay, I'll take it easy on you next time.
Tapi kasihan juga Fluttershy ya.
I've got a reputation to maintain.
What if this is just more of his magic? He makes a door that leads to your worst nightmare. Why not a staircase that goes on forever?
Hold on to me.
I am running out of weaving materials for the traditional crafts booth. I just made a hat out of 3 pieces of hay and a drinking straw. I made it work. Still,
We gotta do everything we can to keep this thing going. The princess isn't looking so good. I can't imagine her magic is gonna last much longer. It's gonna be fine. These ponies are gonna power up that crystal heart when the time comes, and we won't be needing her magic anyway.
I sure hope that time comes soon. Even I can't keep this party going forever.
Oh no.
This isn't the Crystal Heart.
Oh, of course it isn't. The real one is on its way. I was going to say being polished to buy us some more time. Oops.
Whoa! I actually studied gravity spells thinking it might be on my test.
Mantra gravitasi ya.
Prepared for this.
Sekarang tugasnya Spike ya.
The heart. Where's the crystal?
Here! It rolled over to me when you dropped it.
Don't move. You can move, just not toward me. How could I have been so foolish? I was just so eager to get it. And when I saw what was going on outside,
You have to get out of there, Twilight. You have to be the one who brings the crystal heart to Princess Cadence. If you don't, you fail Celestia's test.
King Sombra is already attacking the Empire. He could reach the Crystal Ponies at any moment. Reach Princess Cadence, my brother, my friends. There may not be enough time for me to find a way to escape.
Ya, ini Waktunya untuk Spike ya bersinar.
You have to be the one to bring the Crystal Heart to the fair. Me? Let Twilight go! Let go!
Now don't y'all worry your pretty little crystal heads. The real Crystal Heart will be here any second.
I don't know if they believe you.
Don't know if I believe me.
He's back! I can't take it!
He's over.
Hey, up here!
Spike?
I got the Crystal Heart!
Spikey Wikey!
Spikey Wikey. Oh, dilempar bagian begitu saja ya.
The Crystal Heart has returned. Use the light and love within you to ensure that King Sombra does not.
Sampai ketemu lagi King Sombra di season berikutnya, beberapa season berikutnya.
Good job, Spike.
I do so wish it was permanent. Did you see how my mane just absolutely sparkled?
But good things are better when they're a rarity.
Oh,
Everything's gonna be okay. You've got to stop saving my rump like this. It's starting to get embarrassing.
It wasn't me who saved you in the end. It was Spike.
It's just a test. Maybe she'll let you retake it.
I don't think she's gonna give me a new test.
Keep it together, buddy. Gotta stay strong.
What a drama queen si anu coy,
I wish it had been me who
si Rarity.
but it wasn't.
Twilight, as I understand it, Spike brought Princess Cadence the Crystal Heart because you weren't sure how quickly you could find a way to escape the tower. You weren't willing to risk the future of the citizens of the Crystal Empire in an effort to guarantee your own. Far better that I have a student who understands.
Tapi saya sampai emang agak kesel sih. Seharusnya Twilight juga dikasih credits di situ coy.
Does this mean
Cuma Spike sendiri dikasih cuma Spike sendiri yang dikasih credits.
Keep it together, buddy. Gotta stay strong for Twilight.
I passed. Oh, yeah. You were prepared to
Oke,
your best.
song again.
Takes to pass the test. All those doubts you can dismiss. Turns out you were prepared for this.
You clearly have just what it takes.
To pass a test with such high stakes. We knew for sure you would prevail. Since when and this twilight spark will ever fail.
All those doubts that you can dismiss. Trust yourself and you cannot miss. Turns out you were. Turns out I was. Turns out you were. Turns out I was. Turns out you were prepared for this.
Yeah, I knew everything was gonna be fine.
Ya, tapi saya masih agak kesel ya, tidak ada kredit untuk Twilight. Padahal Twilight yang paling banyak juga, paling MVP juga. Ya, Spike MVP juga, saling bantu lah. Jadi harus ada dua-duanya ini. Agak gimana, agak kesel gitu rasanya coy. Tapi mau gimana lagi, Hasbro bikinnya kayak gini. Dan seharusnya saya tadi lihat siapa penulis anunya ya. Seharusnya penulisnya yang kita komplain ke penulisnya, karena penulisnya memang yang bikin ini episode kayak gitu sih. Dan untuk episode kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Jika kalian suka dengan konten-konten seperti ini, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendukung saya, kalian bisa dukung lewat Patreon, Sewernya, ataupun traktir yang ada di deskripsi ya. Kalau kalian mau gabung ke server Discord saya, link juga ada di deskripsi. Dan untuk video kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Sampai jumpa di next video Free Palestine. Bye.